Here's a sweet experience on the Las Vegas Strip, Hershey's Chocolate World. Welcome everyone. On this Vegas NOLA Man, we're at the New York Hotel and Casino for a look at everything that's Hershey's. Kick it! Inside Hershey's Chocolate World, there are more than 800 candy and chocolate offerings, including such iconic brands as Hershey's, Hershey's Kisses, Reese's, Icebreakers, Jolly Ranchers, Twizzlers, and more. At the Hershey's Kitchen counter, you'll find a selection of baked goods and treats, all made with delicious Hershey's products. Located at the casino entrance of Hershey's Chocolate World is an 800-pound chocolate sculpture of the Statue of Liberty. You can also order a Hershey's milkshake, a popular item at Hershey's World. You can also customize your own candy bar wrappers. Take the clear elevator to get to the second floor of Hershey's World. Located on the second floor, there's another Statue of Liberty made of Twizzlers. And hey, if you like what I'm doing, you can buy me a coffee. I put a link in the description box below. Help me upgrade and grow, and buy me a Joe. Support my channel by subscribing. It's free. Tap the center icon on the screen now to subscribe. Hit that bell icon down below, and you will receive notifications on future videos.